Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove watch history on YouTube, follow these step-by-step instructions to clear your viewing activity and manage your privacy. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to youtube.com on your computer and make sure you are signed in. Step 2. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. On desktop, click your profile picture and select Settings from the drop-down. Step 3. Select History and Privacy, or go directly to youtube.com/feed/history to access your watch history. Step 4. On the watch history page, you will see all videos you have watched organized chronologically. Step 5. To remove individual videos, tap the X or 3 dots next to any video and select Remove from Watch History. Step 6. To clear your entire watch history at once, tap Clear All Watch History on mobile or click Clear All Watch History on the right side on desktop. Step 7. YouTube will ask you to confirm this action with a warning that it cannot be undone. Step 8. Tap Clear Watch History or click Clear to permanently delete all your viewing history. Step 9. You can also pause your watch history by toggling the Pause Watch History option to prevent YouTube from recording future views. Step 10. After clearing, your recommendations may change as YouTube adjusts to your new activity patterns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.